Chapter 5. Following the little shimmering thing. The creature trotted toward her doorway, tail bobbing like a fuzzy metronome. Yeleen followed, lantern nightlight in hand, its glow warming her palm. Each step she took made the creature brighter. At the hallway's end, it stopped beside a shimmer curtain, a thin sheet of rippling light bending slightly inward. Yeleen whispered, "That wasn't here before." The creature squeaked once, then poked the shimmer's edge. It wobbled like a liquid mirror. Her lantern flickered in reply. "It wants us," she whispered. She touched the shimmer. It warmed to her fingers instantly. The creature stepped through first. Its tail vanished with a soft pop. Yeleen inhaled. The house felt still behind her, quiet, patient, as if it already knew she wouldn't be gone long. She lifted her lantern and stepped into the rift for the first time.